Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 III and I'm gonna show you how to adjust touch options in basic camera mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button, and here automatically we are on basic. Now let's pick the menu and we have to slide a little bit down to find touch to adjust option. When we pick it, we can change it between object tracking, autofocus and focus and brightness. So let me start with object tracking. When we go back here to the preview, and now when we tap to viewfinder to, for example, my object that is following, it should follow us. As you can see, this is how it works. Another tap here to menu, slide down, touch to adjust, and we can pick autofocus. So for now, when we tap on the subject, we should get the focusing better. And as you can see, this is how it works. And we can also pick here in the settings with touch to adjust focus and brightness. So when we move back now and tap anywhere at the viewfinder, we can adjust focusing and exposure compensation settings. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.